Sunday we do not work, and on a Saturday sivula ngo-7 ekuseni sivale ngo-2 p.m. This is Babu Dokotela Melapho Ndabu. Babu Dokotela akasona isangoma, and Babu Dokotela is not a Western medical doctor as well. My qualification, it is Form 1. Yeah, this year is Form 1, like Standard 6 we call it, or Grade 8. Yeah, call it Grade 8. Yeah, this is Babu Dokotela. This is Babu Dokotela. And then ngizocela ukuthi ke abantu bangijaja ngesingisa bathi singisa Babu Dokotela ubizwa udokotela onjani lona uhlola na isingisi. Ngicela kubekezele lokho because of our education and deficiency within the academic areas. Ngicela nje nisibekezelele lokho ukuthi inyanga ke izinto ezingafundanga. Yeah, bakithi kunezinto ke esofuna ukuthi ke sizikhulume. 2026 sicela ukuthi sibe naked so that we be dressed up again, because if sizongena sigqokile, what are we wearing? Sigqoke into ebesigqoke ngo-2025. It's too hot. It is too hot. We have to undress you so that to be dressed up again. This is Babu Dokotela saying that be naked in front of me so that I can dress you up with something that is new. 2026, this is what I want to tell you. Ake sikufundise ukulashwa komuntu ngezinto ezingamukelekile. Asithi kubantu abamaZulu ikakhulukazi thina singamaZulu, we regard these things as haram. Inkalankala is haram thina, asidle inkalankala. But kunomuntu ekhaya njengamanje, awu understand, kunomuntu ekhaya njengamanje ohlala ngokuhlugula ngamahlala khona esifubeni uyacinana ube ngaphefumuleki alandelwe inebulizer, kodwa nje umuntu nje ohlala ngokugula. I repeat, umuntu ohlushwa ukugula. Lo muntu nginamhlanje ngicela ukuthi before uthathe isinqumo eswrong ake simelaphe engakezi kubaba udokotela. Ake ukwenze lokho with my credentials and understanding ukuthi into engikunika yona it stands. Lento engizokufundisa yona, if you can do very well, ungakwazi ukuyenza, because you've been lectured by Babu Dokotela, I authorize you to start helping people around in your area. Help people around in your area. Go and buy, I repeat, hamba uyotenga uanyanisi obovu. Go and buy red onion. Thereafter, chop that red onion. You understand? Chop it. Boil water. Take that red onion. Like 4. Take 4. Faka phakathi emanzini. Let it boil. And thereafter, faka a crepe. Try to find yourself a crepe. Inkalankala. Try to find the one that is a little bit big. If you can't find the big one, thatha lezi ke ezincane mhlawumbe zibe u5. Crush them a little bit, not like crush them, just crush them, crush the skull. Crush them a little bit, the crust on top, crush it, zifake lapha nazo lenkalankala zibile kanye nalento